Hello, my amazing spider friends, and welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to weave your part of the World Wide Web. Today, I will be teaching you how to shrink your images down to the desired size. It's a very simple process, and as you can see here in the last video, I forgot to add this. Never a good idea to forget, but the alt text, it's very good for screen readers and such like that. So say if your image doesn't show up correctly for whatever reason, you'll still be able to see what the image is showing in word form, or it will be able to read it out to people who can't see the image. It'll tell you basically what it is. So all you have to do is give this a class, and I'll say spider image for the class. Oh, and I already have it set spider image over here, and it shrunk it down to 400 pixels. And you can change this to be whatever you want. For it to be a logo, I think like 100 pixels would probably be the max I would do. But yes, indeed, that is how you shrink an image. If you wanted to go the extra mile, you could also set the height to auto, even though that automatically does that already. And next episode, I will be teaching you how to change the position of the image somewhere on the page, wherever you want it to go. There are multiple ways of doing that. I'll show you some of my favorites, and you can decide what is best for you. But that was our first bout into CSS style sheets, and thus we are getting into the nitty-gritty of making a website. You've now learned how to do that. Congratulations, y'all. Big clap for you. This is the absolute basic stuff and is the first step in weaving your part of the World Wide Web. That being said, that's all I have for my amazing spider friends today. So if you liked the video, leave a like down below. If this taught you anything, comment and tell me what it is, or comment any questions that you have for me about what to do next, or any suggestions about what video to make next. And leave a subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, because I'll be doing these like hotcakes. I'm really passionate about web development. This is something I like to do, and I look forward to learning with all of you. Later on in the series, I might do a contest where uh, I'll have a link where, like, if you engage with the videos by commenting, subscribing, liking the videos, and such, you'll be entered into a contest to win a free static website designed by me. I'll make the website, probably in a video, send you over the files, and it'll be all yours to use for whatever you want, with the caveat that I'd be allowed to use it in my portfolio as well as work that I've done. You get a free website, I get free credit, and it's a win-win scenario for everyone. But I've been yammering on too much, so just remember, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye!